What's up, YouTube? Aaron with Siegfried Motorwerx. Before you click off of this video, let's find out together which one of my service department techs can move the slowest. That's right, that is what our goal is here this morning. I'm gonna be walking into the shop and surprising my two technicians in the service department with a challenge. The winner's gonna get an itty bitty prize. Either way, it should be a good time. Stay tuned. Let's see which one of the Siegfried Motorwerx techs can move the slowest. Let's go. Kyle.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the challenge this morning?
What challenge?
You don't know about the challenge?
No.
Nobody does. Are you gonna win?
Yeah.
Kyle, Hollinger, you guys both need to pick out a scooter. Any scooter off the floor that runs, Kyle. You can help Hollinger find one. Go. Yeah, well, some of these aren't prepped. That's the only reason why.
The Roughhouse prep is the silver one.
Kyle, what's your plan of attack for picking a
I'm going
scooter
with
out
the
here?
Royal Alloy 300.
Why is it? What's the choice of that for?
Nice.
Okay. Hollinger, what are you going for? Fast?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. All right. Kyle went with a 22, Kyle? Royal Alloy GP300. Hollinger went with a Roughhouse. So we're gonna go over to the parking lot and see what happens next. All right, so the challenge is going to be which one of these two guys can go the slowest without putting their feet down. We gotta determine a distance here quick. Kyle's gonna help me with that before we film, but let's see how they feel about their choices. Kyle, with this in mind, how do you feel about picking a Royal Alloy GP300?
I'm a little bit more nervous now.
Okay. Hollinger, how do you feel about your choice of the Roughhouse?
I'm not sure. But we'll see, I guess.
All right. All right, so we have determined the space. We're gonna be doing a 50-foot slow race. Like I said, last person across the finish line without their feet touching the ground wins. The prize, we already had to tell the boys, but they're gonna win $100. Nice little Saturday challenge. There they are. And the side cart marks the finish line. So let's see how they do. All right, Kyle, what's your plan of attack for this challenge?
Try to win, man.
Okay. Hollinger, what's your plan of attack here?
Do my best.
Okay. All right, let's let everybody line up. Hollinger, you can come front a smidge. You're good. Kyle, you can come front. All right, Kyle, you want to beep it in? You want to beep it in? Beep, beep, beep. You guys got to go at some point. Hollinger's doing pretty good, a little bit further ahead of Kyle. Kyle's holding up okay. Kyle's gonna lose it here. Hollinger's got a demanding lead on Kyle here. Kyle, Hollinger's smoking you. And your winner, Cody Hollinger. Nice. Here with the loser, Kyle. How's it feel to lose?
Sucks.
And Hollinger, you get your crisp $100 bill for winning. Hollinger, how's it feel to be such a winner?
Feels really good, especially to beat Kyle.
Nice. Thank you guys so much for watching our first challenge video. Let us know what you thought of it in the comment section. Smack subscribe. We're going to be doing more challenges like this, maybe involving you guys in the future. So leave a comment if you want to participate in a Siegfried Motorwerx challenge at some point. maybe it'll happen. But either way, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video sometime next week.